Okay, in this video training, I will teach you how to install the device driver for your CM2 dongle. Okay, so go to the Google search, okay, and then type CM2 support, and after that, click search, and you will get these results here. The very first result, click that one, Infinity box support, and then scroll down. Okay, then go to this link here, press dyan SCR X32 X64. Okay, and click start download. And it's done. Okay, then right click this one, then go here, then paste, then I will write this one, right click, extract to the card reader question folder, and you will get this folder. Okay, we will open it. Meron 32 and 64. We will use the 32, and makikita mo itong mga to. Okay po. Okay, now go to the device manager. Click, right click my computer, properties, then go to the device manager. Then right click mo yung smart card. Okay, once na kinonect mo yung, tatanggalin yung CM2 dongle na. Kaya lumabas yan kasi connect ko yung CM2 dongle. So I will plug in the CM2 dongle. Makikita mo yung smart card sa device driver. So right click that, update driver software, then click mo tong browse my computer, then click mo tong browse. Okay, punta ka dun sa pinaglagyan natin ng driver sa D. Okay, then punta ka sa question folder, then punta ka sa 32 na, click mo yung 32 na folder, then press OK, then click next. Okay, okay, this time it will now install the correct device driver for your CM2 dongle. Okay, as you can see, if you will observe the black backlight, okay, kung may ilaw yung CM2 dongle mo, nagkakaroon na ngayon ng kulay red. Kung kanina kulay blue lang yan, now you will see red na ilaw o LED from your CM2 dongle. Okay, so we will close this one. Okay, what happened here? Okay, we will close this one, then we will try now to run the CM2 module here. Okay, ito, so we will run this one. Let's see kung gagana na siya. Okay, so makikita mo yung CM2 dongle mo nagbi-blink, lumalabas yung pagka-red. Yun, meaning na-detect niya na yung CM2 dongle mo. Now we are ready now to backup firmware, reprogram cell phones, open line. Okay, what else we can do with this? We can factory reset the MTK module, MTK phone. We can do FRP, set protection, so yung mga Gmail password, we can do that. And also what we can do here, we can do unlocking and read NVRAM. NVRAM is the file or the EEPROM file which contains the IMEI of your cell phone. Okay. Then what else we can do? We can do reprogram. Okay. When we say reprogram, that it is also called flashing. Though those two terms are synonymous, pareho siya. When we say reprogram, when we say flashing, we are writing a new, okay, we are uploading or writing a new firmware from our computer to the cell phone, that is flashing. Now we have two different types of flashing, file types for flashing. We have bin file and scatter file. And down below this here, we have here read back. We also call this one as backup. Okay, so pwede mong i-click mo tong read factory and then read firmware. Okay, so these are some of most commonly used function of MTK module. We can pick spaceband. Okay, and also we have here antivirus if there is a, if the phone was infected by virus. So we have separate video training for that, and also we can use this user data to read pattern, reset pattern, and reset privacy lock. Okay, so what we did here in this video training is we tried to test if our MTK or CM2 dongle or the device driver of the CM2 dongle was installed properly. And on the next video training, I will show you, okay, or how to install the MTK module and the MTK driver needed para makapag-program ka na ng mga MTK na cell phones. Okay, MTK CPU. So with that, I'll see you on the next video training. Have a great day to you. Bye. Goodbye.